Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Short natural coils really don't need that much to look gorgeous. All you just need is just to use the right product like the MIELLE kit that costs for $7 to $20. We have the Eco Styling Gel that costs for about $2, and it's in the market. You can get it anywhere. If you can't get it around your area, depending on individual countries, you can order online to Amazon, to AliExpress. We also have the Carbon Total, is a natural coil and enhancing cream that will give your hair that hold and definition, and it's a curling product that will really that can be achieved so easily with just simple hold. So let me just let you guys to check out those beautiful styles we have. Don't forget to always accessorize using some clip if you wish, or using some gold earrings. You can go for the round earrings or big earrings, because sometimes it suits short haircuts, and using your beautiful lashes and some makeover like to really complement the texture of your hair. So this is a beautiful haircut for black women that will take many years of your age. It's a low maintenance styles for women who really want to wear the natural hairstyles, and for all those women who want that wash and go hairstyle. You can also add your color highlights if you wish, because this haircut will really make you look beautiful. And one thing with this haircut is that it will always complement your natural face beauty. So you can see with this in mind, just have this at the back of your mind, that is a haircut that will really give you that feminine and modern look you want. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut, because one thing I can tell you for sure is that they are really stunning short haircuts, with that beautiful coils and high shine. And and it's a time like now women are really embracing their natural hair more than ever, and those styles are really absolutely in vogue, and with good reasons. I will advise you guys to go for this big job and embrace those coils of yours. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Still up to wear the styles. See you in my next video.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I need your breath of life. That's how I got my life. That's how you changed my world. Just breathe your name upon me, please. Just breathe your name upon me, please. Oh, your name, what is your name, Lord? Just breathe your name upon me, please.
Yeah. Just breathe your name upon us. Breathe. Just have your way in our lives. Breathe. Now that there is trouble and confusion, yeah. Let your healing hand do wonders in our lives, Lord, yeah. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. Oh, 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 oh. Bring it on to my feet. Nothing is so hard for me to do again. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, oh, bring it on. Ayana. Why? Usukaria diele lolo uka. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Hey. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I saw you cry at night when no one was watching. And now I saw you tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh no, no, oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame I will give you double. I will give you double.